clip ready. This is mine. And then what you want to do is you want to go to layer, add new, and a text effect. And then you're just gonna write your text. And I'm just gonna change up the fonts. I'm gonna use a Gravina script, text. What you want to do is you want to go to align, and you want to set this on there. And then you want to go to layer, transform, and center a layer point. Now I'm going to show you two ways to get this handwriting font. After you have your text, or what you want to do, you want to have this selected, you want to right click, you're going to do a create, and then you want to say create masks from text. After that, what you want to do is you want to go to effect, generate, and stroke. After that, what you want to do is you want to click all masks and make sure you have stroke sequentially ticked. And you want to say reveal on original image. So as you can see, when we play, it's not there. So what we want to do is we want to add a keyframe for end. So at the start we want it at 100, and at 0. And then at the end we want it to out 100. So if we look now, it's going to look something like this. As you can see, nothing is showing. So what you want to do is you still want to have these highlighted. You want to increase the brush size so you can see the text. So it's a little bit too thick, so you want to go down to about 60. And it's still a little bit too big, so we're gonna put it at about 56. So that's how it looks with the writing effect on this way. As you can see, it's not as amazing, but I'm gonna show you the right way to do it. Add a new text layer. Obviously, whatever your word is gonna be. I'm just gonna speed through this. So after that, what you want to do is you want to click the pencil. And you can zoom in. And you just want to mask all of these parts. With something like this. So on this layer, you want to do the exact same thing. So just get your stroke and you want to set it to all masks and reveal on original image. Then like the exact same thing, you're gonna have a keyframe at the start at 0, and whenever you want it to end, you can put it there. So if we look back at this again, it'll look like this. So like before, what you want to do is you want to add your brush size up. I'm going to put it at about 50 and see how that leads me.